AI art marks an important rupture in the perception of and our appreciation of art, and this rupture has existed for a long time. To put it briefly, AI art generators use machine learning algorithms, and by feeding algorithm the dataset of existing artworks and having it analyze the images to learn the patterns and styles, it will produce art based on your prompt, which is usually a text description. And this has been a trend among the people on the internet, generating AI images and posting them and sharing how quick and easy to use. While AI art generators such as Midjourney, Artbreather, and Stereo AI enable anybody to create artworks with a single click, several questions have been raised. Questions concerning the ethics of collecting data to feed AI and using people's artwork without their consent. Since the ownership of an image made by an AI is far less apparent than in the conventional art forms, with most copyright rules excluding AI-generated images, artists and their community are voicing their concerns and fighting back against AI art. In January 2023, 3 artists sued Stability AI, Midjourney, and DeviantArt for infringing on the rights of artists without their consent. Because the field of AI art is still in its early stages, laws and policies governing ownership will necessitate ethical reasonings to determine who or what owns the work. Another example, Nightshade is a tool in development by a team of researchers at the University of Chicago. You can attach Nightshade to your artwork, and when your work is put into a dataset to be fed to the algorithm, it will make the machine harder to train and analyze the work. It also can corrupt the generating process of the images. When people were first introduced to Nightshade, many artists thought that this tool is the closest solution for not getting their artwork to be used for AI generators without their consent. What about businesses that use AI-generated works to replace artists? While others claim that human artists are bound to be treated fairly and will not be replaced by AI generators, works created by AI can be indistinguishable from works created by genuine human artists, at least digitally. If companies and people started using AI art for promotion rather than paying artists to create artworks just because AI art generators are cheaper and less time consuming, that is a potential threat to human artists and the evaluation of human creativity. In December 2022, Midjourney was used to create the images in a children's book called Alice in Sparkle. Many children's book authors and illustrators were shocked and surprised by this announcement. Technology and automation have been an issue of eliminating jobs. That's what automation is all about, reducing human tasks while using technology to perform tasks. Automation is a good thing when it comes to the benefit of humanity, not the technology machine owners. But things are different when we talk about art. Is automating the creative process better for the people? Because making art is not unnecessarily labor. AI art is eye candy, aesthetic, but what else? People argue AI art allows people who do not have the skill to tell their story, but to what extent can AI-generated art be considered original or creative when existing artworks are consumed by the algorithm? Art requires a process of learning, human experience, intention, social conversation, and emotional connection to the work, which AI generators do not have. AI generators produce beautiful images, but that does not make us consider people who are using the machine as artists. AI art generators are teaching us how art is not always about a beautiful final product. It can be messy, it can look not aesthetically pleasing, but if you put careful thoughts and process to your work, it is art. And we are just hoping for a solution. It can be a new copyright policy so we can protect artists, or maybe ethical AI art generators as a tool. Finally, to end this video, I would like to share this quote. They scratch with their pens in the mold of their graves, and the ink and anguish start. When the devil matters behind the leaves, it's pretty, but is it art? Thank you.